Hi everyone. Today we are going to explain the second part of the chapter 10. In this session, we will show how to use the perfect square formula and the difference of two square formula. So we have a few formulas here, not a lot. So normally be focused and careful about using it, especially when proceeding with the signs. First of all, starting with the perfect square formula, we have a perfect square formula, a plus b squared and a minus b squared. So first of all, a plus b squared, it is like when we expand it, from in this direction, we do an expansion, and this one we do a factorization. So with expansion, we obtain a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This plus of the middle term, okay? This is the middle term of the middle term, as we copy it from the sign in the middle here in the perfect square formula. If we have a minus, so we put, instead of plus, we put minus 2ab for the middle term. So it is very easy to use the perfect square expansion, and we should make sure that the middle term is calculated correctly. And with the perfect square formula, the last term is always positive, like x plus 5 squared. We have a, we have a b, we have a positive, so we have the middle term, it should be positive. So it is a square, here a is x, so x squared plus, so plus 2ab, 2 by x by 5, it is 10. 2 by x by 5. The numbers here are 2 and 5, so we can multiply them to obtain 10x. Plus, because we know that the last term always is positive, so normally 5 squared, 25. Good, easy. A minus b squared of the form a minus b squared. So it is a squared, x squared, minus, it is like minus 2 by a by b. It is minus 2 by a by b, it is minus 6x. A plus, because we know that with the perfect square formula, we have always the last term positive, plus 3 squared plus 9. Easy. We complete. We continue. Expand this perfect square. Oh, we adopt the same formula as we did before. What about the difference of two square formula? This is the third formula of this explained, and we are going to explain in this session. So we have only three formulas about quadratic expressions. So a squared minus b squared. If we have a plus b, a minus b, because we are talking about expansion, so I want to explain you in this direction here, because here we have a plus b squared, and we go through this one, and here I put it in the in the opposite way. So normally if we have a plus b by a minus b, if we have here the same term, and the second term in the same, and the first parenthesis and the second parenthesis are the same, but we have, instead of plus, we have a minus. Okay, so we have the conjugate. If we are going to multiply the conjugate terms, the conjugate parentheses, we will obtain a minus a squared minus b squared. So we have x, we have a 5, but instead of plus, we have a minus. So these are conjugate of each other. So if we multiply it, we obtain x squared, the first one squared, minus the second one squared. Easy. So x squared minus 25. So it is very easy to spot this type of expansion, and to use the difference of two squares expansion. And for this type, for this formula, we don't have the middle term, and the last term, that we have it before, like b squared, we have it negative, is always negative, minus b squared, okay? So it is also easy to complete by yourself all the following exercises. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.